2021 Mini Cooper. It is a special edition of the John Cooper Works GP3. It's only about 3,000 of these ones made in production, and today we have one in our shop. We are going to be lowering it. We're going to be using this KW lowering kit. All right, let's get this Mini in the air and get this old suspension out and get that new suspension in. So we went ahead and took apart the old shocks. We swapped over the top mount and the sleeve from the old shock onto the new one. We also went ahead and pre-adjusted our dampening setting and our height setting, so everything should be good to go. We're gonna throw it back in and then we'll see how it looks on the floor. After removing the rear shock and the rear spring, we went ahead and we're going to reuse the old rubber spring mount for the bottom, and we removed the top mount to go ahead and put on ours. And we pre-adjusted this height, so those should be ready for us once we put it on the floor. It's going to look just like that. Alright, so this Mini Cooper is all ready to go. The customer wanted us to lower it a bit, which we dropped it about 1 inch roughly, and he also wanted it to be a softer ride. The old shocks were too stiff for the race quality style setup that they have. Now the ride is a lot more comfortable for a daily drive. The customer is happy with it, and we're happy with it, so it's ready to go. Can't wait for our next project to come in.